I had weighed many options in taking different college courses or university courses, and nothing seemed to really strike me. My mother and grandfather were working in real estate, and I was offered a job as an administrator in the office. And 4 years later, I became a third-generation realtor, licensed at the Area College in 2007. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to improve your knowledge about the industry, the Area College always has some great courses. They really helped me keep up to date in the industry and remember things that sometimes slip your mind because you're not doing it every day. The teachers had everyday examples that they could give us about the industry, things that had actually happened to them, that I even today look back to once in a while and say, oh yeah, I remember that story, and it ties into something I'm doing. It reminds me of a quote from a committee member from the Young Professionals Network here at AREA, and she said to me one day, Amy, we're all matchmakers. That's one of the reasons that I really love what I do. It's the quiet rewards that you don't see every day or hear every day, but you know that you've done something positive in somebody's life. Hearing that I love this house from your client when they find the house that they love. My name is Amy Ferris, and I'm a sales representative with Erie's Edge Real Estate, and I'm an Area College grad.